Ayan, good morning everyone. Yung picture ko, please wag na. Nakamoho ako nun. Pero anyways, ayan, it's not supposed to be me na magbibigay sa, anong gagawin ko? Welcoming remarks? Ayan, it's not supposed to be me to give you the welcoming remarks, but rather VP Hill. Today kasi is, they are having their leadership summit, kinda like that. Pero kasi, it's kinda like a retooling to all the deans or department heads or heads of each offices here sa UMAC. No? Ano ba yung ginagawa nila sa retooling ngayon? Alam nyo ba na pinapalitan na ang vision and mission ng University of Makati? Huh? Totoo ba? Kasi po, ang vision and mission ng University of Makati is to cater 35, tama ba? 30-something barangays of Makati. And ngayon, despite of the territorial dispute of Taguig versus Makati, nawala na po tayo ng MBOS. Ano na lang po ang vision ng University of Makati? Isa yon sa tinitingnan. Number 2, nakamit na ba ng University of Makati yung vision na, which is to mold Makati youths into something innovative, into something centered business, into something on technological in terms. Nakamit na ba? Nakamit na? Actually, ang tinitingnan talaga, kung nakamit na yung vision and mission ng isang institution, yung mga alumni natin. See? Kung yung mga alumni natin nakakuha agad ng trabaho, business-centered and technologically center, according kay Rain, meaning na-achieve yung vision and mission ng University of Makati itself. Palakpakan naman natin ang University of Makati. Kayo ba, pag-graduate nyo ba rito sa University of Makati, makakamit nyo ba yung mismong trabahong papasukan ninyo? Parang nagdadalawang isip tayo, right? We're questioning ourselves. Pero yeah, I never doubted na nakapasok sa prestigious university na ito, no? To give something new and to give something to myself. And may ambag na rin sa future ng land. Kasi nga, we are the future builders of this land. Pero anyways, what I mean to say is kung bakit nga pinapalitan yung vision and mission ng University of Makati is to achieve the future goals of the Makati itself. Pinalitan din po kasi yung vision ng Makati. Alam niyo ba kung ano na ang vision ng Makati? To be the finance capital of Southeast Asia. Ang taas ng pangarap, di ba? Dapat by 2035, makakamit ng Makati yun. Naniniwala kayo na makakamit ng Makati yun? Dapat. Oo, dapat. Actually, we went to Baguio. Ayan yung issue ng Baguio. We went to Baguio. We attended the PIFUA or the Philippine Friendship something Understanding Association. Philippine International Friendship Understanding Association Incorporated. We met some new friends there. We met some Nigerian, we met some Chinese, Myanmar. Ang tawag sa tao sa Myanmar? Basta Myanmar. So, sabi nila, magkano ang tuition nyo sa UMAC? Sabi ko, 3,500 po sa akin. Oh, really? Then you have a great facilities, great educational attainment, great curriculum. Bakit kami itong nasa mga malalaking school like UST, DLSU, hindi tulad ninyo na 3,500 na binabayaran? Ganun po kami kamahal ng Makati at ng local government ng Makati. Palakpakan naman natin ng LGU Makati. Tama. Kaya nga, I love Makati. Pero nonetheless, guys, we welcome you to Academic Olympics 2023. We're in, isa sa hangarin din ng Academic Olympics na ito is to cultivate knowledge and what's the other? To showcase the innovation itself. When we say innovation itself, for sure, may isang issue na naman nililitaw, which is yung artificial intelligence. Kasi guys, whether we like it or not, makakasama natin artificial intelligence in the near future. Actually, in our college, rather sa buong mundo po, we are now experiencing Industrial Revolution 5. Tapos na tayo sa 4. Kasi that's automation. Now we're in 5. We're in artificial intelligence will be in our daily lives. Whether you like it or not, hindi ka namin pipilitin, walang mapipinsala kung hindi mo na naising manahi. Charit. Pero that's it, no? We have to embrace what it is. We need to be dynamic. Sabi ni Sir Vargas sa akin kahapon, nagpatulong ng PowerPoint presentation lang. Tapos nag-discuss na dun sa SOA, From 9 p.m., umabot kami ng 9:30 p.m. Para sa discussion niya mamaya, no? Dun sa kanilang retooling. Sabi niya sa akin, ang VUCA, alam niyo yung VUCA? Volatility? Ano yung U? Basta that kind of challenges na hinaharap natin in our daily life right now. Hindi na kaganda yung academic, hindi na kagaano katao ang academic Olympics dati nung last term sa pilitan pong pinasali yung mga participants for academic Olympics. Particularly ganun, no? That's the VUCA challenges that we had. And we need to innovate. Kailangan nating yakapin yung mga challenges. Kailangan nating yakapin yung mga innovations na dumarating sa buhay natin. Just like your relationship. Di ba, Marcos?
Si Kuya Marcos yan.
But anyways, guys, from the University Student Council to our participants, congratulations. Ngayon pa lang, kinakongrats ko na kayo. Gas-gas na yung linya, no? Pero yeah, it's a big step para sumali pa lang as participant to each category. And thank you for that. And also, sa mga mananalo at mag-uuwi ng gift certificate. Limpak-limpak na gift certificate ang bibigay sa inyo. I hope na magamit nyo siya para at least, syempre, may patutunguhan. Anyways, maraming salamat po. Hindi ko napapahabain. Masyado na bang mahaba or hahaba ako pa? Ay, hindi, okay na. Without that said, thank you so much. Once again, this is Rojan Fat, the University Student Council President. Maraming salamat po.